Chum Reapsauer, welcome to Cambodia. We are delighted to have you visit our beautiful country and experience all that it has to offer. From the ancient temples of Angkor Wat to the bustling streets of Phnom Penh, there is so much to see and do in Cambodia. Cambodia is an exciting and vibrant country that offers a range of opportunities for those looking to move and start a new adventure. Its affordable cost of living, friendly people, and rapid growing economy make it an appealing destination for anyone looking to make a change. Now let me introduce you to one of the most effective and easiest programs if you want to move to Cambodia. Cambodia, My Second Home. So what is Cambodia, My Second Home? The Cambodia My Second Home CM2H is the only government official program approved and recognized by the Ministry of Interior and General Department of Immigration of the Kingdom of Cambodia to allow foreigners to stay in Cambodia with a golden visa of 10 years. To be eligible for the Cambodia My Second Home program, foreign nationals must meet certain requirements, such as having a clean criminal record, being in good health, and having sufficient financial resources. Participants must also invest in Cambodia. In exchange for meeting these requirements, participants in the Cambodia My Second Home program are granted a long-term stay permit, which allows them to live in Cambodia for up to 10 years, with the option to renew the visa, and also can apply for a Cambodia passport after 5 years. This is the only official pathway to apply for a Cambodian passport in Cambodia. So what is the Cambodia My Second Home requirements? These are easy steps on how to apply for Cambodia My Second Home membership. Now let's get to know the Cambodia My Second Home requirements. The applicant must be a citizen of a country or region recognized by the Cambodian government, regardless of race, religion, or gender. The applicant must be at least 18 years old. The applicant must not have a criminal record in Cambodia. The applicant must have an investment project with a capital of at least US $50,000 that is certified by Cambodia My Second Home. The applicant needs to pay membership fee to Khmer Home Charity Association. The applicant must obtain approval from the Ministry of the Interior. How to apply for Cambodia My Second Home? There are 5 easy steps to apply for the Cambodia My Second Home program. Now let's get to know the application process. Step 1. Documents submission. Documents submission. The applicant must fill up the registration form, submit a copy of identity and background proof, passport must be valid for more than 26 months, pay membership fee to Khmer Home Charity Association. If the Ministry of the Interior rejects the application, it will be refunded after deducting $250 administrative fee. The approval result will be released within 5 working days. Step 2. Preliminary approval and formal application. Upon approval by the Ministry of the Interior, applicants will receive Need to Hand in Application Permit and application form by email or in person. Complete Cambodia My Second Home application form and submit certified copies of supporting documents, including passport, identification card, income proof, household registration booklet, academic certificates, marriage certificate, kids' birth certificates, assets, titles, or certificates. Step 3. Review and issue pre-approval letter. Applicants need to complete the following procedures within 10 working days of obtaining approval. Pay the rest of membership fee to complete the membership procedures of Khmer Home Charity Association. Submit sales and purchase agreement of the recognized property project. Step 4. Obtain Cambodia My Second Home identity and gift box. After confirming that the applicant meets the investment requirements, the applicant can obtain Khmer Home Charity Association and Cambodia My Second Home membership number, Cambodia My Second Home membership card, Khmer Home Charity Association membership card. Members of the Khmer Home Charity Association assisted, including accommodation advice, business registration advice, education advice, business registration with patent in Cambodia, etc. Step 5. Move to Cambodia. After entering the country, applicants can obtain a working permit in Cambodia 10 days upon arrival, Cambodia Home Residence Visa, 14 days after arrival, can be expedited to 3 days by paying $100. Obtain Cambodia Healthcare Insurance Certificate. Insurance takes effect immediately upon arrival. Besides providing you long-term visa, Cambodia My Second Home are also eligible for various other benefits and exclusive VIP services such as 1. Local Cambodian company registration. It also comes with a work visa and bank account opening, allowing you to omit the complicated procedures and steps and quickly start your business. We also provide medical, education, legal affairs, taxation, accounting, translation, and investment consultation, and many more. 2. Trust account. A complimentary investment trust account comes with the membership, as well as providing the convenience and protection for investors to purchase land and properties in Cambodia. 3. Medical insurance for the first year, with an insurance coverage worth $100,000. In terms of accommodations and education, we provide assistance to your children's educational planning and admission application support. 4. Cambodian driver's license. We will assist in applying for a Cambodian driver license. 5. Assistance in entry. Exclusive VIP reception and passage at the airport. Exclusive VIP pickup and accommodation arrangements, and Phnom Penh tour services. We can also arrange a series of activities for you to learn more about this beautiful treasure land without wasting precious time. 6. Exclusive discounts for VIP merchants. Members only need to present their VIP cards to shop at major cooperative merchants and enjoy exclusive discounts and benefits. Here are all you need to know about Cambodia My Second Home program. We hope that you will take the time to explore our rich culture and history and to meet the friendly and welcoming people of Cambodia. Whether you are here for business or pleasure, we hope that your stay is enjoyable and that you have the opportunity to make lasting memories. If you are interested in applying for the Cambodia My Second Home program, we are eager to assist you. We will do our best to ensure that you have a pleasant stay in Cambodia.